Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna get comfortable, I guess. Shoot, be here for a minute. We're gonna go ahead and postpone part 4 of the natural hair series because I got tired of my hair and don't feel like dealing with it. So threw a wig on, finally got my hair, you know, braided down because I can't do it myself. Found somebody to do it for me. We're good. And I had a vision, like a shoot in my head of like this fit and like this scenery. Like basically, like sometimes I be getting like visions of like, oh, I want to go take this picture here. I was like, you know what? But like I want a bob, and the like short hair I had, I put, you know, a few videos, pictures, whatever. Short hair that I had, it was too long, and like it was so long that it would sit on my shoulders and like it would curl. And I was like, I don't want to deal with that. I'm gonna cut it, and I did. If you know me, you've been here for a while. You know I'm not the best at doing, you know, regular human things. I'll say this is the wig. This is it. I feel like on the wig head, it doesn't even look that bad. Like, I gotta, you know, clip a few more, but you know, whatever. On the head, it doesn't look bad. It actually fits her face. But when I put it on, I'm just gonna show you. I'm gonna take this off, put that on, and you can, I won't even tell you, I'll just show you. Just give me a second. Finally found a hairstyle that I don't look good in. So the point of this video is that I feel like, okay, let me try to make it cute, I guess. Like maybe, cause I don't like middle parts, maybe like a side part. I just feel like the ends are too thick, right? So I'm gonna try two things. I'm going to try to straighten it as like straight as it can get, like go by layer and straighten it. And then I got thinning shears, so I'm gonna try to thin it out. And I was just like, okay, I can make a video for this because either I can finesse it or it's gonna be garbage juice. We all know I have no issue with like embarrassing myself, so let's go ahead and get started. Oh God, I'm gonna take this off. You can see so like majority of this video, I'm pretty sure you're just gonna see my prison cornrows. We're gonna put this back on the mannequin. I already got my flat iron and my hot foam heated up, and we're just gonna go like layer by layer and like straighten it, cause like, look how thick it is. Like maybe that'll help. I be trying to be like independent, like, oh, I can do it myself. Nah, bro, because anytime I do anything myself, it looks stupid. Like, why am I so creative? And like, when I do things outside of hair, it's really cute. But as soon as I touch hair, what happens? Whatever, let's go ahead and just get started. Actually, I have clips. I'm gonna go get the clips and I'll be back. Got the clips. Got the shears, pinned down the hair, and a little treat. Oh my God, I hate myself. I wanted to give you guys a sneak peek for next video. I'm just gonna do that, put that there, and we're gonna get started. I want to do like the very bottom. Wow. I want to do the very bottom layer and then like go up from here. So I'm just gonna, actually I'm gonna angle the camera down so you can see what I'm doing. Oh, my ass hurts. Okay. So actually I think I'm gonna start on this side and make my way around. So I think this is a pretty thin section. We're just gonna grab a comb. Okay, so we separated, got a section. I'm about to rage. We're gonna grab a comb. It's too much going on. Comb it out. It's so weird. I need something to hold down the hair. Okay. Then we're gonna go in with the hot comb. And just hit the roots. One section. And we're gonna keep going. So I like straightened and kind of like bumped this side, and I compared it to this, and it's really, I mean, it's a difference, but not as thin as I want it to be. So I'm gonna straighten it and go through and thin it out. So I didn't want it to come back like, hey y'all, I thinned it out. I was like, let me like show y'all, you know, grabbing like one of the bottom sections, like splitting that and just doing that, kind of like combing it out. You can see right here on the bag, it's supposed to go in the bag, and of course it doesn't want to. I'm gonna probably do it a few more times just to make it real thin. From this side, look how thin that is. And no, I haven't touched it with heat yet, but just like, I've been putting heat on this since like the day I cut it. So it's not like, oh snap, you know, it's just cause it's so. Okay, so I kind of can see where I'm trying to do with this. So I think I'm actually gonna glue it down and try to finesse it from there, I guess. It's glued on my head. It's a flying here, so if you hear it, I'm sorry. It's like I'm really trying to hurry this video up now because it's annoying me. So whatever, let's go ahead and get this done. So I'm gonna gotta detach a few things. Bruh. 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 No. Y'all cannot say that I did not make this work, because this looks way better than it did when I started. Like, from dyeing my eyebrows to the bantu knots to low-key dyeing my hair, it's so patchy, to like now, to like not, like my first time like really like seriously trying to cut my hair. I cut my hair like a while ago, but it was uneven. But like to seriously cut this shorter. Look how short, to cut this, to fix it, to thin it out, to take the steps that I knew to like fit my face, to make it look like good on me. I feel so good about this, like y'all don't understand. Wow. A little sticky. I'll fix it. It's just like, it's not perfect, but like, and look. Like the back doesn't even look bad. I wouldn't be mad going out like this. Like, it's a little shorter than I imagined, but I mean, the fact that I could like adapt to it, like I was like, okay, like let me take the steps. I like straightened it, saw that wasn't working. So I was like, okay, remember this video, probably the link below. Okay, what I was saying was I didn't get thinning shears for this video, but this is the fact that like I knew to like, okay, put thinning shears, thin it out, like do all that stuff. I feel like I'm coming up. And stay tuned for next week's video. You know, we're diving deeper into, you know, wigs now because I'm tired of my hair. So please remember to like, share, subscribe, show it to your friends, like share with your friends, comment on my videos, what you want to see next, all that stuff. I look at it, I care. Follow me on Instagram at Brianna B. Moon. Follow me on Twitter at EasySockMod. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Oh, just a little teaser. Okay, bye.